Okay, let's push forward.
Full
auto. Full auto? Uh-huh.
Perfect. We're screwed. Okay. Alright, instead of over now. Go.
Let them take all the bullets. Alright, let's go.
Mark. I'm pretty sure the guy in the pink has been on our team yet. Oh. Hey, which way are you going? Spin around, I was trying to see. Christian! Yeah? Yellow, we don't get hit.
Who's the terrorist?
Behind the stripey orange. Orange and black? Right, behind the orange and black stripey thing. In the, Oh, I hit her. Oh, I tagged him. He's down, I tagged him. Right in the neck. They're coming up the left.
No, that's wrong left. Don't worry. Quinn, I got a few of them. Christian, are you the terrorist?
No, I'm not the terrorist.
Let's go.
No respawn!
Repeat, please.
No respawn! No respawn. I thought the worst respawn.
These people are really creeping me out over there. They're always looking at me.
That guy. Right there, he's pointing at us. Alright. The guy pointing at us? Orvin, do you shoot on our own team? Yeah. No, he was shooting guys this side. Orvin shot our own teammate. Pop him. Do it, Zane. No. Pop him. Do it, Zane. He just shot our own teammate. You're dead. I don't think he was good.
Are you the terrorist?
He was a terrorist. You're dead, Orvin. I was pretty sure he was a terrorist.
What the heck just happened?
I don't know.
We just like push him up against the wall.
And I executed him.
Whoa, hey!
Just kidding. I didn't.
Hey!
Ow! I'm trying to aim for your butts, guys. I'm sorry. Quinn, turn off the contour. Do it, Zane. He just shot our own teammate.